Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 3 Science Olympiad. And in class 3 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to cover? We are going to start a new chapter, that is the food. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, we can have vitamins and minerals if we eat dash. Options are A. Vegetables, B. Fruits, C. Protective foods and D. All of this. Okay. So here the question given is we can have vitamins and minerals if we eat what of the following. Okay, so vitamin and minerals, these are present in vegetables and fruits, right? And these vegetables and fruits which contain vitamin and minerals, they protect us from different diseases. They boost our immunity. That's why we also call them as the protective food. Okay, so here the correct answer is option D, that is all of this. Coming to the next question, milk is a complete food because it contains dash. Options are A. Proteins, B. Fats, C. Vitamins and minerals, D. All of these. So milk, it is a complete food. Why? Because it contains which of the following. So why we call it as a complete food? Because it is containing proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, that's why milk is necessary for children as well as adults and old people also. Got it? So here the correct answer is option D, that is all of this. Coming to the next question, dash is a body building food. So here four options are given, right? So in the first option, that is burger, and in the second option some food is there, in third option egg, in fourth option chocolate. So bodybuilding food, okay, so bodybuilding food, they contain proteins in it, and we know egg contain proteins, right? So here the correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, the food preservation method, the food preservation method in which moisture present in food is removed is called dash. Options are A. Pickling, B. Canning, C. Gelling, D. Drying. So, the food preservation method. You know what is food preservation method? So, the food, if we keep it for a long time, they get destroyed. Okay. So, for preventing them from destruction, what we do, we try to preserve them, and for preserving we follow different methods. Okay, and among these methods one of is to remove the moisture present in the food. And what is the name of the process? The name of the process is dry. So here the correct answer is option D, that is dry. Got it? Coming to the next question, select the cooking method. Select the cooking method which is different from the other three. Options are A, excuse me, A. Roasting chapati, B. Boiling rice, C. Steaming momos, D. Frying puri. Okay, so here the different cooking methods are there, right? We have to find which one is different from the other three. So in roasting chapati, in boiling rice, in steaming momos, we are not using oil. Okay, but in case of frying puri, we are using oil. That's why frying puri is the different method. Got it? Coming to the next question, dash is a spice obtained from plant stem and dash is a spice obtained from flower bud. Options are A. Clove, fennel, B. Cinnamon, fennel, C. Coriander, chili, D. Cinnamon, clove. So here we have to find out which of the spice is obtained from plant stem and which spice is obtained from flower bud. So here the correct answer is option D, cinnamon and clove. So cinnamon is obtained from plant stem and the clove, it is obtained from the flower bud. Got it? So coming to the next question, select the correct option regarding me given food items. Okay. So options are A person who is recovering from illness should take a lot of 2. B. Overtaking of 1 regularly may lead to obesity. C. 3 gives us lots of energy when hungry. D. All of these. So we have to find out the correct option. So in one, there is frying potatoes are there. In two, that is fruits and vegetables, and in three, chocolates are there. So a person who is recovering from illness should take a lot of food. Yes, this one is correct because fruits and vitamins they contain fruits and vegetables they contain vitamin and minerals. Okay, which give us immunity. So, for recovering from illness, we should take a plenty of vegetables and fruits. So, option A is correct. Overeating of one regularly may lead to obesity. Yes, these frying things and these junk food that on regular intake they lead to obesity. So this one is also correct. Next one, 3, that is the chocolates. They gives us lots of energy when hungry. Yes, this one is also correct. So here the correct answer is option D, that is all of this. Coming to the next question, which of the following methods is incorrect to preserve food materials? Options are A. Keeping the food at low temperature. B. Keeping the food in airtight container. C. Salting and sugaring. D. Keeping it in water and room temperature. So, which of the following method is not for preserving food material? Okay. So, here keeping the food at low temperature that helps in preserving food material. We keep food in refrigerators for that purpose. Keeping the food in airtight container also help in preserving food materials because it helps the food to not to come in contact with atmospheric air and moisture. Salting and sugaring, addition of salt, addition of sugar, they also help in preserving food. So keeping it in water at room temperature, no, it will not help in preserving food. So here the correct answer is option B. Got it? Coming to the next question, select the correct option to fill the empty boxes of given flowchart. We eat the stem of dash, ginger, dash. Options are A. Turnip and radish. B. Sugarcane and carrot. C. Turnip and spinach. D. Potato and sugarcane. So here we are eating the stem of ginger and also potato and sugarcane. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, select the correct statement. Options are correct statement. Options are A. Phosphorus present in vegetables and fruits must be discarded. B. Overcooking decreases the nutritive value of food. C. Preserved food has conditions suitable for growth of microbes. D. Growing children need more fats to build strong muscles. Okay. So here the raw fish present in vegetables and fruits must be discarded. This one is incorrect. This should be taken. Okay. And they help in improving the digestion of the food. Okay. So, overcooking decreases the nutritive value of food. Yes, this one is correct. So, we should not overcook the food. Preserved food has conditions suitable for growth of microbes. No, we are preserving them. That means it is not suitable for growth of microbes. Okay. Growing children need more fats to build strong muscles. No, growing children need more proteins to build strong muscles. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, the given graph shows the amount of some nutrients in food X. Which of the following can be X? So here A, B, C, D, 4 options are there, right? And graph is there for food containing different nutrients in x-axis and amount of nutrients in y-axis. So, we have to find out the food which contains a lot of carbohydrates, small amount of protein and small amount of fats. Okay. So, here C, that is a type of sweet. So, it is the correct option. Got it? Because they contain more sugar, so they contain carbohydrate, comparatively less amount of protein and fats. So, and the other things, this cheese, butter, and this egg, they do not contain large amount of carbohydrate. Okay. Coming to the next question, the given graph shows the temperature change during a food preservation method. Identify the method and select the correct option. So here time is there in x-axis, temperature is there in y-axis. Options are A. Drying, B. Pickling, C. Canning, D. Freezing. So here with time the temperature is becoming 0. You can see temperature is decreasing and finally it is becoming 0. So which of this is the which of the method it is? It is the freezing, right? Yes. So coming to the next question, Ravi suffers with constipation. Rahul has low immunity and falls sick frequently. Seema is shorter than other girls of her age. The given options have scrambled letter groups which contain name of the nutrient the person needs. Select the correct match. So here Ravi, it is written rough face. Okay, so rough face is required for a person who is undergoing constipation or who is suffering from constipation. So first option is correct. Second, Rahul, carbohydrate. Rahul has low immunity and fall ill frequently. So if we uh, correct it, it will be carbohydrate, but it is the not the right answer. Okay, because if for low immunity, they means he should consume vitamins and minerals. Seema 88, that is fat. Seema is shorter than other girls, so bodybuilding food is required. That means it is not fat. Protein is required. D, all of this, no. So here the correct answer is option A. Got it? Coming to the next question, direction, refer the grid. The cooking method involved in making of one of these items is hidden in the grid. Select that food item. Options are A. Pizza, B. Idli, C. Momos, D. Samosa. So here, can you find any of the cooking method here in the grid? Yes. So yes, I got one. It is the baking. Okay, so it is the baking. And which of the following is prepared from baking? Can you say? Yes, it's favorite. That is the means favorite of everyone. That is pizza, right? So here the correct answer is option A, pizza. And these idlis, momos, these are prepared by steaming. Samosa, it is prepared by frying. Okay. So coming to the next question. Uh, Refer the given grid. Which of the following food product is hidden in the given grid? Options are a liquid that is considered complete food. Okay. Then option B, a carbohydrate rich food that is rich in roughage also. C, a protein rich food that is obtained from some birds. D, a fat rich food product obtained from the plant which also gives corn. Got it? So here a liquid that is considered as complete food, we know it is milk, right? Then a carbohydrate rich food that is rich in roughage also, that is porridge. Okay. Then a protein rich food that is obtained from some birds, that is egg. A fat rich food product obtained from the plant also gives coir, that is coconut. So, what is present here? Can you find out? Yes. So, porridge is present here. Okay. So, here the correct answer is, here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, the source of vitamin C is, so different foods are there, and vitamin C, it is mainly present in the citrus fruits. Okay, in the citrus fruit, that is lemon, orange, amla, these fruits. So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, which of these is a protein source? So four options are given. In A, fruits and vegetables are there. B, milk. C, that is paratha with butter. Then D, these are the sweets. So we have to find out which of these is a protein source. So here the correct answer is option B, that is the milk. Okay. Coming to the next question, potato is a options are A, root, B, underground stem, C, leaves, D, none of these. So potato, it is a underground stem. So correct answer is option B. And potato, it is rich in carbohydrate. Okay. Coming to the next question, which type of food is energy yielding food? Options are A, milk, B, apple, C, rice, D, juice. So here energy yielding food, these are the carbohydrates and the fats. Okay, so here rice, it contains the carbohydrate, that's why it is the energy yielding food. So C is the correct option. Coming to the next question, select the nutrients not found in food. Select the nutrients not found in food. Options are A, proteins, B, fats, C, plasma, D, carbohydrates. So here the correct answer is option C, that is plasma. Because proteins, fats, carbohydrate, we find them in the food, but plasma, it is present in blood. In blood, the liquid part, okay, that is known as the plasma. Okay, so coming to the next question, which among the following is used to improve the digestive system? Options are A, carbohydrate, B, proteins, C, fats, D, roughage. So here the correct answer is option D, roughage. Roughage helps in improving the digestive system. It helps in the bowel movement. Okay, and if someone is suffering from constipation, he or she is advised to take little more amount of roughage in the diet. So coming to the next question, which minerals help to form healthy bones and teeth? Option A, iron, B, aluminium, C, calcium, D, zinc. So you all must be knowing it, right? So it is option C, that is the calcium. Coming to the next question, Abhinav is a 6 years old boy. He woke up in the morning and got ready for school. His mother gave him a liquid to drink. Water liquid is given to Abhinav by his mother is. So which liquid is given to Abhinav by his mother? Options are A, tea, B, milk, C, coffee, D, none of these. So what do you think? What is the correct option? Yes. Students, that means the small children, they are not allowed to take, they should not consume tea and coffee, right? Instead they should take milk. Why? Because milk is the complete food, right? So here the correct answer is option B, that is milk. Coming to the next question, dash is the fiber obtained from plant food. It helps to remove waste material out of our body and keeps dash system healthy. Okay, so here as we discussed, roughage is the fiber obtained from plant food. It helps to remove the waste material of the body and keeps the digestive system healthy. Okay. Coming to the next question, which is the vital role of proteins? Which is the vital role of proteins in the body? Options are A, help to build and repair body tissues. B, help to repair cells and provide energy. C, helps to clear the digestive tract. D, helps to reduce the hypertension. So proteins, they help to build and repair body tissues. Okay. So So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.